welcome to online learning. My name is Osanya Kachi. What we'll be doing today is sine rule. Sine rule. One fact you have to understand about sine rule is when two angles are given, you can solve sine rule. When in a triangle, when two angles are given, you can solve a sine rule. When one angle with three sides are given, you can solve a sine rule. When two sides and one angle, two sides, one angle is given, you can solve sine rule. When the three angles are given also, you can use the sine rule also to find any of the sides that is not given. When three sides are given with one angle, you can also find the other angles. So the formula for sine rule is A over sine A is equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. This is, when we talk about this A, all these ones in the numerator, we are talking about the sides of a triangle. If we have something like this, we are talking about A, B, C. So since here is facing this side, what you have here is A, C, small c, yes. So in this case now you have C, and here you have B. So that is the way to take your sides. B, C, B or C, B or B, C, B. What will be in between them is A. A, C. What is not here is B. So you put a small b. A, B. What is not here is C. So that is the way to name your triangle if you are solving. Then the next thing we will do now is to solve an example. All this A is the angles. A, B, and C, those ones in capitals, indicate the angles we are talking about. So we will solve one or two examples using sine rule, so that we will understand what we are talking about. So the first one said, please take ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle as capital letters. ABC is a triangle with A equal to 38, C 38 degree, C equal to 72 degree, and the small letter B equal to 5.82 cm. The question now says, find I, B, C. So what you do is, first of all, draw your triangle. Draw your triangle. When you draw a triangle, you have here 72 degree, 38 degree. Here is C, here is A, and what is left is B. So you can also find this side of the triangle. So they said that B is 5.82. B, that is this place now, where there is, you have A, you don't have B, you have C. So B is supposed to be here. So you have 5.82 cm. So we are looking for this side and this side. Here should be small c and here should be small a. Now for us to find a first, I, it will be since we know this side, we don't have problem. We know this side, we don't have problem. But first of all, let us complete this triangle. If we have this plus this, will give us 110. 110, 180 minus 110 will give us 70 degree. So 70 here is 70 degree. So A is equal to sine A equal to B. Now this is B, sine B, 5.82 over sine 70. So the first thing you will do now, since we are done up to this, is to we have 38. So the next thing we have to do now is to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, you know what we have? This we multiply this and this we multiply this. So we have sine or A sine 70 equal to 5.82 into sine 38. When you divide both sides by sine 70, we have A equal to 5.82 into sine 38 over sine 70. Sine 70. So at this point now, you need your calculator. First, what you will do is you press 5.82 times sine 38. Sine 38 will give you nothing less than 38, when you find the value of sine 38, what you will do now, at this point, I'm done solving this. So, if you have sine 38, you multiply it by 5.82, you divide it by what the value of sine 70 will give you. So if you do that, you will have your answer as 3.81 cm. My A now will be 3.81 cm as the answer. Now, the next thing we'll be doing is to solve for B. In this case, you cannot use Pythagoras theorem, mind you, because this is not a right angle triangle. So if it's a right angle triangle, it's easy for us to use Pythagoras theorem. So what we'll be doing now is to find the value of C. For us to find the value of C, So you can say 5.82 over sine 70 equal to C over sine 72 over sine 72. And let's draw your line so that we don't get confused. So if we cross multiply now, we have C sine 70 equal to 5.82 sine 72. You divide both sides by sine 70, you will have C equal to 5.82 sine 72 over sine 70. So C is equal to, so you do the same thing here, just press your calculator, it will give you the answer. Press your calculator, sine 72 multiplied by 5.82, you keep it separate, then divide by sine 70. When you find the value of sine 70, you divide it with what you have at the numerator. It will give you 5.89 cm, approximately 5.89 cm. That's what it will give you. That's what it's supposed to give you. So we will solve another example, but for the meantime, wait for me. Don't go anywhere. Wait for the next video. We'll see you soon. Let's solve more examples so it will be clearer. See you then.